Hi guys, we have just a super short Irish lesson today because something that's been on my mind recently has been common sense or a lack thereof. And so I thought maybe we could look at a couple of Irish sentences based around the idea of common sense. So to get started, a couple of different ways to say common sense itself are ciall, gnáthchiall. Gná is like the prefix to mean normal, so it's like normal sense, common sense. Gnáthchiall, stuama, shusmad. And let's look at some sentences putting these words to use. That's antagonistic to common sense. I think that sounds pretty good in English as well. Ní líon sé sin le ciall. Ní líon sé sin. Ní líon sé. That means it doesn't lie. It doesn't, I guess you could say, it doesn't go with, it doesn't line up with, it doesn't lie. Sé sin that le ciall, with sense. Or in other words, it's the opposite. It's not common sense. It's antagonistic to common sense. Ní líon sé sin le ciall. Ní líon sé sin le ciall. Or tá sé sin, that is, in aig. An aig is a face, but in aig is like against or opposite. On raison, so it's like against reason, in other words, against common sense. Tá sé sin in aig an raison. Tá sé sin in aig an raison. Ní líon sé sin le ciall. Tá sé sin in aig an raison. Another great phrase in English as well, both in English and in Irish. That's a departure from common sense for her. Níl ciall bith fágtha aici is one way to say it. So níl, there is not ciall, sense bith at all. Bith. Fágtha is like the past participle or the participle adjective, left or remaining or even abandoned, in this case like remaining, aici for her or with her. In other words, like she has no common sense remaining at all. Níl ciall bith fágtha aici. Or tá a ciall chéille aici. Chéille is lost. So in other words, she has lost sense or common sense. Tá a ciall chéille aici. Níl ciall bith fágtha aici. Tá a ciall chéille aici. So both of these mean that's a departure from common sense for her. A morsel of common sense. Something I wish was more common among people. A morsel of common sense is splanc chéille. Splanc. Splanc is like a spark or a little piece in this case. Splanc chéille. Splanc chéille, a morsel, a tiny piece of common sense. Let's hope that common sense prevails. Bímis súil. Bímis, we will be hoping. Mbeidh, that there will be ciall, sense or common sense, daoine, with the people. We hope that people will have common sense, or let's hope that common sense prevails. Bímis súil. Mbeidh ciall daoine. Bímis súil. Mbeidh ciall daoine. Surely that's just common sense. Cínte le dia. Cínte surely le dia God. Níl an sin, that is not, ach, but gnáthchiall. So surely that is, surely to God that is merely, that is nothing but common sense. Surely that's just common sense. Cínte le dia, níl an sin ach gnáthchiall. Cínte le dia, níl an sin ach gnáthchiall. She was young, without common sense or experience. bhí she óg. Bhí she was, óg, young. Gnáthchiall ná taithí. Gone, without, ciall, sense or common sense, ná, nor, taithí, experience. Bhí she óg, gnáthchiall ná taithí. Or, bhí she óg, agus ní raibh aon ciall ná taithí aici. I guess that's a longer way to say it, but it's the same. Bhí she óg, she was young, agus ní raibh, and there wasn't aon ciall, any sense, any common sense, ná taithí, nor experience aici to her, well, for her, she didn't have it. She didn't have common sense nor experience. Bhí she óg, agus ní raibh aon ciall ná taithí aici. He showed a lot of common sense. Léirigh sé an ciall. Léirigh sé an ciall. Or léirigh sé an stuama. Léirigh sé an stuama. Léirigh sé an ciall. Léirigh sé an stuama. Common sense, as well as being a noun, can also be an adjective, like a piece of common sense advice. So to use it as an adjective, we can say ciallmhar, or stuama, or shusmajuk. For example, he has some common sense ideas. Tá roinnt smaointe ciallmhara aige. Tá, there is, or there are, roinnt, a couple, some, smaointe thoughts, ciallmhara, common sense, aige, like on him, but he has. He has some common sense ideas. Tá roinnt smaointe ciallmhara aige. Tá roinnt smaointe ciallmhara aige. She gave me some common sense advice. Chuir sí chéille stuama orm. Chuir she put, so we say things in a bit of a different way in Irish sometimes. Chuir she put chéille, advice, stuama, common sense or sensible, orm on me. She put it on me. She gave it to me. She gave me common sense advice. Chuir sí chéille stuama orm. Chuir sí chéille stuama orm. Practical common sense. Gnáthchiall stuama. Gnáthchiall stuama. And finally, two ways to say to talk common sense or to talk sense. Labhairt go chéille, and labhairt le stuam. Labhairt le stuam. Okay, let's run through all of these once more, just to remember. Common sense is ciall, gnáthchiall, stuam, or shusmid. That's antagonistic to common sense. Ní líonn sé sin le ciall, or tá sé sin in aghaidh an réasún. That's a departure from common sense for her. Níl ciall bith fágtha aici, or tá a ciall cailte aici. A morsel of common sense. Splanc, chéille. Let's hope that common sense prevails. Bímis ag súil, go mbeidh ciall ag daoine. Surely that's just common sense. Cinnte le dia, níl an sin ach gnáthchiall. She was young, without common sense or experience. Bhí she óg, gnáthchiall ná taithí. Or, bhí she óg, agus ní raibh aon ciall ná taithí aici. He showed a lot of common sense. Léirigh sé an ciall, or léirigh sé an stuama. As the adjective, common sense is ciallmhar, or stuama, or shusmajuk. He has some common sense ideas. Tá roinnt smuointe ciallmhara aige. She gave me some common sense advice. Chuir sí cóirle stuama orm. Practical common sense. Gnáthchiall stuama. To talk common sense. Labhairt go chéille or labhairt le stuam. So that's all we'll do on common sense. I'm sure that's more than enough common sense for today. Good night, Untitled, and I'll see you next time.